Good evening everyone, this is Diptima Samal of class 12 from DV Public School and I am here to discuss with you about the antibody structures.
Antibodies are the proteins which are specifically recognized born inventors of pathogens such as viruses, bacteria, and parasites. All the pathogens express a unique combination of molecules both inside and outside the cell membrane. These are called as the antigens. Antibodies can show two functions. Antibodies can neutralize pathogens by binding to their antigens and blocking their action, such as preventing a virus from entering the cell, blocking a bacteria function. Antibodies also mediate the destruction of pathogens by acting as markers that other cells in the immune system recognize. Antibodies are produced by the specialized cells within the immune system called the B lymphocytes or the B cells. The immune system recognizes a wide array of antigens by producing millions of different types of antibodies, such as each recognizing a different antigen of each B cell producing only one particular antibody. Antibodies are Y-shaped proteins and are made up of 4 polypeptide chains of protein chains, 2 identical shorter chains called as the light chains or the 2 identical longer chains called as the heavy chains. The N-terminal of the 4 polypeptide chains vary significantly in sequence from one antibody to the next and are called as the variable regions. Variable regions are involved in antigens binding. The other regions of the polypeptide chains from the same species are called as the constant regions. The constant regions are responsible for interacting with the effector protein that mediate the immune response. Antibodies are produced by the B cells through a process of recombination where the genes that code for the portion of the antibody protein are recombined or shuffled to create many different variations of the final protein. Antibodies are first expressed on the cell membrane of immature or naive B cells that have not yet encountered antigens. Recognition of the antigen by an antibody leads to B cell activation, which results in the differentiation of the clonal expansion. Differentiated B cells or the plasma cell produce and secrete a large amount of respective antibodies.